Welcome, fellow explorers. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling adventure into the mesmerizing realm of cells within the human body. Picture our body as a vibrant metropolis, teeming with diverse inhabitants, each playing a crucial role in maintaining our health and vitality. First up, let's meet the chondrocyte, the architects of our flexible cartilage, and the osteocytes, the builders of our sturdy bones. These cells work tirelessly to keep our skeletal systems strong and resilient. Next, say hello to the adipocytes, the storage specialists responsible for storing energy in the form of fat. And let's not forget the myocytes, the powerhouse cells that enable our muscles to contract and move with precision. Now, let's take a peek inside these cellular abodes. The plasma membrane acts as the gatekeeper, controlling what enters and exits the cell. The nucleus serves as the command center, housing our genetic material and orchestrating cellular activities. Within the cytoplasm, a bustling hub of activity, various organelles like mitochondria, the energy factories, and the endoplasmic reticulum, the transportation network, work in harmony to keep the cell functioning smoothly. But wait, there's more. Cells are not just passive bystanders. They are dynamic entities that undergo a fascinating life cycle called mitosis. Witness the grand finale of cell division, where cells meticulously replicate themselves to support growth and repair within our bodies. In conclusion, let's appreciate the remarkable complexity and importance of these tiny marvels. Cells are the building blocks of life, the unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes. Join us on this captivating journey through the microscopic world, and remember to subscribe for more awe-inspiring adventures.